So basically the large tree was right here in the middle of the yard. Not that smaller tree stump. That was a different one. But there used to be a really big tree here. And as you can see, it was probably similar to this one. So the root system has decayed, and so there's several sinkholes on the property. Like here, there's some, but the homeowner, she has renters, so what she wanted to really address is the sidewalk because it was dipped down so low someone could possibly, trip. So that's what the guys are doing. They're just now pulling up the brick. They're basically gonna just fill it in and then put the brick back down. So pretty easy, shouldn't take them too long. You guys, we're out. We're about to head to our next project, so just keep watching and have a great day.